Hello everybody and welcome to another YouTube video of yours truly, Wordy Live, and today's video is all about how to use role-playing to make your Dungeons & Dragons sessions more fun. Oh, we all know that Dungeons & Dragons is a TTRPG, but a lot of players tend to forget that role-playing is heavily encouraged to make players feel more immersed in their campaigns. Role-playing is something that is fun, but for a lot of people this can be out of their comfort zone, which is normal. Keep in mind that nobody expects you to have a degree in acting and expect you to give the performance of your life, so everything is fine. If you wish to get into the roleplay spirit, think of how your character acts. Are they light-voiced, flamboyant, or do they like to have arguments and debates? If you are a DM, here are some tips to get your players to be immersed in the roleplay. Step 1. Introductions. Ask your players to introduce themselves as their character and how their character would act. Encourage the use of voices, tics, or any type of mannerism that their character would portray. For example, a barbarian that rubs their neck when asked a question, or something the player wouldn't normally do in real life. Step 2. Use the characters' names. Always address your players by their character name and not their actual name. This will get them into the mindset of the character and allow them to easily transition from player to roleplay character. Because when you refer to them as their character, they will easily place themselves into the mindset of their character. Now let's see how many times I have said character within that entire sentence. Step 3. The character's personality. Emphasize the importance of how their character would act in certain situations. For an example, there is a door that is locked. Would your character examine the door? Would they try to open it? Would they kick it down or charge through it? Not everyone would interact with a door the same way, so why should your character? And step 4. Imperfection. Your characters do not need to be perfect. Encourage the flaws within their character they've created. Not all characters will be perfect fighters or know everything. Having a character that is not perfect allows the campaign to feel more organic. So don't worry about a failed knowledge check or if your charisma modifier is too low, because that just adds a bit of spice to the story. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if you want to support the channel, do not be afraid to hit that sub button. Check out the social medias down below. And remember, roll for initiative. Ciao, ciao.